So all of you who attend the different courts in this region, you should find a court fee schedule that is pinned on the notice board.
Donc kay ini ci report mo ke ken itung kay ini ci no iko ot ikelo mageriyo tul ango mamiri ni tul mapat mamiri ni meri tul ikot.
So that will show you that for the different documents you file in the court, especially for your civil matters, your land matters, there is a prescribed fee that you're supposed to pay. Somebody can't just wake up and tell you, pay 1 million. There must be assessment which is commensurate to the value of the subject matter of what you are filing.
Donc kay ini bini court ador mapat mabino no tie mo no wele tie no wele pe kay ini o ino ko patne telo ki court wel mamir ini chul bi kartaj mena mamir ini chul bi ke report mo manini no choche weker penga mo ame di tour men wala wi ne dup ni chul ene meno no lo ka perwato.
Now there are a couple of fees which I term as the illegal fees that we have had happening. His Worship earlier, the chief was talking, and I was very happy that it seems here there are no instances of corruption, but there are papers which came and people are complaining that there are some people who are picking money from them, and I'll be reading those specific papers later.
Donc naga ke wale ne la kuli lo ko pedi ka tebe endo ko pedi ne no report ti ko warga ma unu karu singo yene ni tie la kuli jomo ne kan ga mo jante so en ko ne bido ye ko ma lo ko gina mo joy.
Now one of the illegal fees is fees for visiting the locus.
Aya me tiel chul mo ne tie mag ke peji ni me no me cher kan na ngom ke bi cher kan na ngom tiki penye ni meri chul tienen eno ni chul ma pe ye ma chep pe ye ni meri chul.
The judiciary facilitates its officers to go and visit your land. It is not at your cost.
Kat moro pini kan eno ngom what ma di twala chente what langon go ma area ma begini any tiu ki chente ni me chero pe penyo in ma yin tiki biru ni me meri chul tienen.
Well, let me add something. When it happened to me, I went for visit to locus using the funds were given. After that, there was an arrangement where I should go and eat. And you could see the people who are active. So I asked the question, this food now, I can see these people are active. They said they are catered for that food. I said, how can they? I cannot eat food which litigants are paid for, are arranged for. The worship ran into problem. I'm going to confess here, and you can convict me, but please just caution me only. They came and pleaded with me that that is the only thing that brought them together. They put funds and bought the items, and it was cooked in some hotel. I know God will forgive me, but I ate the food. Even eating that food was wrong. I am paid my allowance. If I go for visit locals or anywhere, I must eat in the hotel. If I have a relative who says, come and if I go to Kalahong, my friend Peter can say, come and eat at home. That time I can go and eat. As long as he's not a litigant. Who is close relative, he's not in that case. I will go because I go there only. That is different. So, my lords worship, when you go for these things, people should not prepare meals for you. People should not give you chicken. People should not, you go to do judicial work. Let me be the last person who has eaten litigants' food. I will go and confess to the bishop and say this one and ask for my apology. That is wrong. Thank you.
And I'll come with you, baby. I'm not me. Any bit of me, and then any car may tell you the people from them. You, Kuno, Don't know it na that. Sige penene jam anywhere. Ento John wajeni din ena na yam kiri kapiru ni. Mana yam juari on pio tore katimukinu mo kachel. Tino kinu ye go tore go tere de kachel ni jam yo heri jam. Ento de kila ngon ko pio kana ngam pengara ma wotem. Chepaye.
Thank you so much, my Lord Chief Justice. The second is money for production warrant. A production warrant is issued for free by the magistrate. There is no money, you are supposed to pay for it.
Production warrant, dan when you pay for the production warrant. Bien, ni mano kemete gam dano ni mati mabuj ba ko gen to win of comment. Chalo pay ni. Production warrant peke cholo piere. Penga to mo kutinche ne mecho le court ne work mi production warrant me mo ke men ki jam ki o me no. Uniang ayo.
Your Worship, same for process, service of process, hearing notice and those things. The clerk is not paid any money by litigants. The money should come from the court.
Mero wiye ni wara ga mo ma tara ki palo ki court ni ki tir ke mi bot ngat mo ma nyo lo ki ko me nyo me go me bi court wara ga eno ni karan pa court ye chwalo in ngat ma lo ki ko me nyo in mai ki do mai ye do premier in ye kwan chene me mi ki karan me chwalo wara ga eno ni chene eno ni ag got court.
The third one is money to process your bail refund. If you ever came here and you paid your money for bail at the bank, the case has ended, it's time for you to get back your money or your refund. The papers are processed from here and taken to Kampala where the money is processed to pay back to you. You do not have to pay transport from Batongo to Kampala for somebody to process your bail refund. The officer of the court is the one supposed to go and process your papers. Your work is to wait for your refund at home, either through your mobile money or through your bank account.
Jenda ma ini cholo ikot no we are going in bail. Kadong kortum yerge dokya no body. Dong dua ponene kadong tie in me repin kiri city court ya yogo tralo Kampala tiki gamu cheni ni ki dok mi body. Ento cholo mo peke yema mi ini cholo court karan no nyo court no we are kiri doki cheni chan. Ene mi organo chero no ko cheni ya doki kele wa kan mo ini do ngi chwende chim na chalo mobile money. Nyo kele ini bi gamo ke kan. Pe cholo chen te mo bon na to mo we ke dok cheni chan. Uniang.
Okay, the last one is about thank you, apoyo. There is money in some courts where people are paying money for apoyo. When the court has done its work, you come with apoyo. Apoyo money is illegal, so please do not bring any apoyo to any of the officers of the court.
Jela kipit mo ne kan ma kitimo ka dong court ngalo chi indi ai li pe ki mo ne abion ka pwan la ngol ko piano ngalo ma be du tung ba la kuri kinu ma le bian mo ko la ngol ko pe ka ke no ke no di pion lo che pa ye pe me ke piano mo ne bion ka pwan ke la ngol ko pe ngalo ko ma be pi.
The second issue I want to talk about is bailiffs. Do we have bailiffs here today? Do we have any challenge with the court broker here, or everything is okay with the court broker?
You right now, that wide of they have one that is very bad.
Now, that bad court broker, if you have issues with him, for example, he comes to execute against you when you're the wrong party, or he comes to execute against you at night. Instead of coming at daytime, he looks for you at night, he comes on the weekend, he does not return to the court all the money or the proceeds from what he has got out of the execution. or he's holding out as a lawyer, you know the lawyers whom you have here. But if your bailiff is also holding out as a lawyer, he is committing an offense. And so we have a mechanism of disciplining those bailiffs.
Long ente was ni me chiel. Kot rock a copper lawyer. Ye mukane kau no ye wai ni ente lawyer. Me jono ke lawyer. Pepo buri. Me ario. Kot rock a peti you di wo. Kage mi eno bina di pepo bino yenye di wo ni ben kama kau ya ini kot kot. Check ye. Kot rock a peti you the weekend. Chia bichia. Think that bed, God broke up with you, in the Ameti Tagaman again. Temo will be in Germany. Don't come over here, no go you are not free to put your ten when you dear my guinea you can report about it.
So should you have any complaint that you have not raised concerning a court broker, Worship Patricia, please come and they see you. You file your complaint with her. It will come to Kampala and we shall deal with it, so that matters of execution are also handled professionally and very well in this jurisdiction. So this is how Patricia, you will bring your complaint to her when we are done today. Thank you, Worship.
Okay.
The last thing, my Lord Chief Justice, with your permission, just to make it very clear to our people, because it comes from the complaint of people who are saying that they ask them for small things. I want to request our staff to come here. I want to request our state attorneys to come here. The judicial officers, your worships, please come here. Prisons and police. Let us make the whole chain of justice here so that people understand who plays which role. Because many times, anything that happens, it could be on the street, people say it is the court which ate my money. But today the people of Katongo, you need to see who is who in the chain of justice, and who works for court, and who is not working for court, but works with the court to ensure justice is done.
Company dong and very you do your na Matthew to the more in court kind. Don't need my pay. So
the gentlemen here, these are the judicial officers. State, I think you also be there a bit. You know, you are all in suits. Somebody could easily think everyone is a chief magistrate.
So,
where are the staff? I saw them in t-shirts. The staff of the court. So we are going to talk about this, and my Lord, there are questions about bail and why some people are being released on bail. Now, assuming counsel is the accused and he has been reported, the criminal case is going to start at police. After police, they are going to... Our staff, you're mixing the... From police, the file is coming to DPP, the two gentlemen.
Now, report Johnny, then give you big medical time to John. Tell them what Johnny can carbon your real media.
If they are satisfied with the evidence on the file, the matter comes to court. Our staff now come, a clerk, I want one clerk here.
Kadong look, we to police, we can report state attorney.
So the clerk will receive the file, register it, and hand over to his worship. Let's use that drawing of the area.
Now, anyway, I know the t-shirt, the American Karan court. Near end to Gamko, Maagi, but state attorney, medical, but the end Gamoka don't cover one like cop.
Now, all of you, the relatives, you've been following the accused from state to state, is now finally before the court.
Un way never welcome at Malok, no one very can look police, look state attorney, and they tell the Lubukar court.
Finally, His Worship tells you you have a right to apply for bail because it's a constitutional right.
Donc ka o ko lang ko any nong ka pin and we juni in mag magenyo lokti komini in tigi kwer me penyu kot ka mi bail.
Then you apply, he's satisfied, and he grants you bail of 1 million.
Donc ka in penyu I lok me penyu ker ni penyu ma pe jeron ku ye benet penyu ni ram ramoti di dong en ngalo wi ke to ngalo ni bail million ajel.
You will pick that file, give it back to the clerk, a cashier, you be a cashier, you come here, you're the cashier. Where is the cashier? Mr. Cashier is here. The file will be brought for assessment, you will go to the bank, you will pay.
Donc ka dong la ngol ko wi ko ngalo me ko wa ni in mi chul million ajel le. Ti o file no me chalo bot ngat ma kanu balla boglim. Me ko en dong gamu di dong to assessment mi warga mi ni check ke bank.
After you have paid, you're coming back to Kasha, you'll give you a receipt. From a receipt, the clerk receives the file, prepares the bail bond form to the magistrate. It is signed, it is endorsed. You go home for the period the court has given you.
Donc, là, donc, il y a le banc. Il faut que le receipt de bank time. Il faut que le report n'a Kasha manano mini. And donc, là, mon mini, il faut que receipt par court donc. Anyor ni ini mitul ken enone adong tiyo file le dok ko bot karan kero choyo warga mag ndoni bail bond adong ki choyo do bol langon ko ko ketien ye dan mo ketingi kado ini ai doctor.
If you applied for bail and you were not successful or you did not have the substantial sureties, they will hand you over to prisons. And will take you and keep you for the period that the court has defined.
Kaya ni penyu pay, tiki ye, unyo kaki ye, kaki ye di tulungairo, unyo kaki ye penyu payli, kot ang pi mi kot ngatan, magudu utak apa, and mi dong kot ki, kita ko buke wainil dua makoro cewani dokter dok in kiri kot, yare dua nyim kot.
Now, in all this, who is the one who determined the money? If we have been following, who told you 1 million?
Donc côté wuñune anga kikin joni matiki twer mi ngol million ajel.
Sorry?
Angol ko
who? The court? Exactly. The only person who should tell you what you should pay in bail is the magistrate. There are how many? You're 4 here. So it is only these 4 officers who are able to tell you whether you're going to pay that 1 million cash or it is a bond, but nobody should tell you about the amount. Like you have just come, your relative, you're already hearing that you bring 2 million. Are we clear?
No, nyang mabe, ikin group no konkani. Yen be, John pay you. Bail pay to the police. Me ario, yen bail pay to the jo ario. Tell us to come yen be. Who are you?
Even the staff of the court, this staff here, let the staff come out. So the staff cannot begin telling you in advance. Bail is not determined in advance.
Karane matieni ene kiri pe kolo bail. Pe kiri weti ni mo bail to be kolo wele ene. Narachele kene weti ni bail to kolo ene na ko. Unyang John ene pe kolo bail.
So if anybody asks for you to give out your money in advance and then you give it, that is potea. Wait for the magistrate, you pay the money in the bank, keep your receipt. At the end of the case, you will get back your full amount. Clear? Very good. Thank you so much. Please let us take our seats.
Thank you, pay God Karan. You Secretary. You pay God Police. You make. Come here, Lord. Pay. You not a nego drop ten. There no pay to God.
My Lord Chief Justice, I'll now proceed with the questions, and as I begin,